much different video I wanted to be today. We probably gotta rush home, so I at least get a video out to you guys, so show you guys some shit. Well, I was gonna do a prank today, but I don't want to. I was gonna expose the prank today. I'm not going to. I want to save that footage for later on when we actually do the prank, because I don't know if they watch my videos. Just in case they don't watch, just in case they do watch my videos, it's gonna ruin the whole thing, and then it's gonna ruin the whole skit of it all. So we're gonna hold them on that. I'm going to the gym right now. I got my haircut. You see, it looks great. At least I don't look like a freaking ragdoll anymore. Freaking with the big bushy hair and the whole, I hate that hair. I hate the long hair. I love my long hair, but it's a love-hate relationship that I usually just get tired of it. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is go to the gym, go back, maybe work on the semi, maybe do some of this, maybe do some of that. Chill out, hang out, dude. Chill out, come up for the ride. That's it. That's all it is today. So catch you guys back at the house after I get some tools and stuff. Alright, so I got the new 6-point thing here. Let's hope this takes it off, and I'm gonna leave you guys right here because you guys can stay right there. What we're going to go to next is the next best thing in life. Oh, luckily I don't need this jacket on anymore, because I only had it on because I knew that oil sprays all over you when you're not using the impact. So let's get a breaker bar. Alright, so just so we know, we did actually rip all these off with that impact. So alright, so we got that on there. Now I just got to put my extension on this, and we're gonna just twist it. Hopefully we break it. So this much, this thing is ridiculous. Alright, so that did not go as planned. So looks like I'm gonna have to either buy a very large breaker bar, or go buy the next $600 to $800 Milwaukee thing, and I can do 1,600 foot-pounds. But yeah, so that's not exactly what I expected. Sadly, I really thought it was gonna pop off. I really want the piston out of that damn freaking thing, but it looks like it's not happening, sadly. Yeah, to be honest, guys, I really don't know what else to do for today's video, because I know like I got my hair cut, and I was supposed to go to lunch with my mom, and I was gonna work for a little bit. Well, the whole video was supposed to be me bringing my mom to lunch and stuff like that, and then then after that I went to work for a little bit, and then I just came back home, and now it's kind of like, it's getting to that big time where it's a little late out. Yeah, so I think that's really it for this video, guys. I'm sorry, it's freaking was. Wow, we didn't really do anything. Oh wow, okay. Huh. Alright guys, so this just kind of sucks a little bit because there's nothing really to do right now, and I gotta get ready for dinner, this and that, and I kind of planned the whole thing out for this morning in the afternoon, but the problem with that is it just didn't work out because of, I don't want to say what it is yet, because I can still use that footage for another time for when it can work, but as of right now, just nothing worked out, blah blah, so I'm trying to think of something to do. So what I do best, I go on Marketplace. And then I started thinking, like, man, I want a sim setup. I've been wanting a sim setup for a little bit now. So I'm gonna show you guys the sim setup I found. I don't want to spend my money on this thing, but so here it is. Here's a nice seat. I'll give you guys more description of what all this stuff is. There is a whole description. There's a Mazda, we call it the feed thing, what do you want to call it? The wheel. You got like a Formula 1 wheel there, it looks like. Then you got the, what is that? What is that called? What is that called? Something shifter. You got the handbrake, parking brake, what do you want to call it? They got three cameras, a 3-screen setup with the whole base and everything. Whole thing looks really good. Now I'm gonna just so you guys can't see the name. Now this is a Mazda R2 V2, well version 2, with CS wheel and KS wheel. Also Moza, sequential shifter. I can't never remember that name. So you got the sequential shifter, the emergency brake, the pedals with the clutch, 3 of the screens at 1440 triple screen mount that's on a custom wheelbase. It's got a seat. You get the TK Pista seat that is adjustable, and all the boxes for the stuff. Now it just sucks because he wants $1,600 for it. $1,600 bad price for it? Probably not, because I looked it up and I think everything costs around over $2,000. I want it for $1,000 because, for one, I'm using more for content and I want my return on my investment. And the money I'll be using was going to be stuff I was going to use for investment, which was going to be either a go-karting league or, you know, something of that nature. And also this kind of will bring it into a little bit of a, like, it wouldn't pinch me, but it'll pinch me enough towards, like, I don't really have much free spending if I do this. So I would hope he would do $1,000, because $1,000 would pinch me still. I want, if he won't do $1,000, I wouldn't even honestly get it, because for one, I just don't want to go any above $1,000. If not, I'll go find somebody with a friggin' cheap setup, and we'll start off with a cheap setup, and then we'll go up. But I mean, I guess a nice setup, start up with a decent setup, and then, you know, we can upgrade to a nice, you know, go into the next setup, and then to hopefully one of those friggin' moving ones to go, you know. So that'd be the idea for this. Let me message the guy and let's see what he says. It's all you can do, right? All right, guys. So the guy has agreed to do the $1,000 for the sim setup. I gotta pick it up tomorrow morning. Probably not gonna be recording anything else for this video because, well, actually, this is the next day actually, and do I have another video for tomorrow? No, yeah, tomorrow's video is gonna be picking up the sim racing thing and doing all that stuff. So, all right, so guys, listen, it's next day. The guy did accept my $1,000 offer on this thing. So I probably really shouldn't be spending this $1,000, but I'm gonna do the don't think, don't do method, and I'm just gonna send it the American way and say I'm gonna get it, and then hopefully make something out of it. So when in doubt, I can always resell it. I can probably sell it for the same exact amount, because in all honesty, it's gonna be about $1,500 to $1,800 to $2,000 to actually do a whole setup with what he has. So, you know, I'm kind of going based off that stuff. But right now, I don't want to spend $1,000. But I'm gonna do the don't think and just do it kind of method, because I don't want to spend $1,000. But I'm just gonna do it anyways. So, yeah, I'm gonna end the video up here because there's nothing else really going on. And yesterday was a dud, and today I was working all day and on the boats and everything like that. Is that a cat? No, it's birds. Sorry. But yeah, so listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Comment down below what you guys think about the sim setup. And also, well, subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes to follow dreams. Don't let it get in your way. Stay maverick. I'll see you guys next one.